In this video, I'm going to show you how to import contacts into GoHighLevel. If you want to try GoHighLevel for free for 14 days, make sure to check the link in the description to get started. First, log in to GoHighLevel and navigate to the sub-account where you want to import your contacts. For this example, we'll use a sub-account called Real Estate. Once you're inside that sub-account, you'll see the menu on the left-hand side. Click on Contacts, and you'll notice that if it's a new account, the contacts list might be completely empty. You have a few options here. You can add a contact manually by filling in all the details, such as first name, last name, email address, phone number, contact type, time zone, and even notes or tags to help organize your contacts. You can also track calls, texts, or voicemails if needed. This is great if you only have a few contacts to add, but most of the time, you'll want to import a larger contact list to save time. To do this, click on Import Contacts. You'll see that GoHighLevel supports CSV files, which means you can use Excel or Google Sheets and export your file as a CSV. Make sure your spreadsheet has all the necessary columns like first name, last name, phone number, email, and any other details you want to include. Once your CSV file is ready, simply drag and drop it into the upload area. After uploading, you'll need to map the columns from your file to the fields in GoHighLevel. For example, make sure the first name column in your file matches the first name field in GoHighLevel, the last name matches last name, and so on. Take your time to review all the mappings because this will ensure your contact information is imported correctly. After you've mapped everything, review the details one last time and click Finish. GoHighLevel will then process your import, and your contacts will appear in your sub-account. Now you can manage your contacts, organize them into campaigns, set up automations, or send messages directly from GoHighLevel. If you run into any issues with your file, make sure the CSV is formatted correctly. There are no empty rows at the top, and each column has a clear header. These small details can prevent errors during the import process. And that's it. You've successfully imported your contacts into GoHighLevel. If you want to try GoHighLevel for free for 14 days and explore all these features yourself, check the link in the description to get started.